Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications from apps of your choosing on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and tap on Notifications and Status Bar. Now you need to scroll down and tap on one of those switchers next to one of your apps. For example, Calculator. As you can see, all notifications from Calculator are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, click on the same switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!